Hello, my name is Mr. Sean here at UEI College Reseda. Once again, here to do a quick demonstration about series and parallel and why it's relatable to PLC and why it's relatable to solar. So if we look at the board real quick, as you notice, again, bear with me on the drawing, I did it pretty quick considering. We have our 120 volt coming in on both of these sections, and our first one is in series, so we have our hot coming to the hot or line side, load going to line, and then from line to load to your light. Neutral passes straight through. In addition to that, we have the parallel circuit. So in this instance, your 120 volt hot goes from this switch on the line side to this switch on the line side, and then on the load side, it's in separate Romexes in this instance. So in this case, you're going to understand the difference between series and parallel. So we're going to come over to the actual demonstration board. I'm going to put on my Jonard safety gloves. So far the best gloves I've put on. Very comfortable. All right, everything is live, so I'm ready to test. So as we notice right off the bat, I'm going to do my series. I turn this on, nothing happens. In order for it to actually work, I have to have both the switches on. That's what makes it a series circuit, okay? So for instance, if I turn this one on, nothing. Both of them have to be on, okay? In addition, the parallel, it can be either or. So turn this one on, comes on, turn this one on, comes on. So this is an or, and this is an and. Now I'm gonna unplug, okay? Now the question remains, how does this relate to PLC? You might hear from time to time what an AND gate is or an OR gate. They are two different types of gates in PLC programming. So in an AND gate, we're talking about series because you need this switch and this switch in order to turn on the light. In the reverse side of it, for the OR gate, the OR gate, you can do either or to turn on the lamp. Now that is parallel, okay? So either or, and then this switch and this switch, either or and, okay? In addition to solar, as far as, I actually wrote on the wrong area, excuse me, let's do it right, okay? I did the PV side first. And gate, or gate. That looks better. Okay, so when it comes to the actual PV side, the solar side, when we're talking about a series circuit, when something's in series, the voltage adds up and the amperage stays the same, right? So volts add up, amps stay. Excuse me. In series. Okay? Now, in reverse, amps add, volts stays same. Parallel. So that's the biggest thing to point out as far as series and parallel goes, and this applies to obviously many different fingers or fields of electrical that we do. All right, so when we hear series and parallel, it might mean one thing in one part of electrical, but could mean something totally different in another part. All still relatable, but used in different formats. That's it for me, guys. Again, my name is Mr. Sean here at UEI College. Thank you for the like, the subscribe. Have a good rest of the day.